Good morning, guys. This is Pushpak Raj, and today's topic is on the investment banking applications watch list module. Okay, so as we are already seen, there are the multiple modules in the investment banking application. So according to that, I have created separate video on each and every module. So today's topic is on the watch list module of investment banking application. Okay, so the project name is the banking domain application of investment banking. Okay, so created by who can created that test cases, the name of the tester who can created that test cases I have mentioned here, that is the Pushpak Raj is the name of tester who can created test cases. Creation date, on which date Pushpak Raj have created the test cases, that is 8 August 2023. On that day he can created the test cases on the watch list module. Okay, so who can review that? So Ram is a senior authority who can review the test cases in the 8 August 2023. So that is the format. Okay, so let's see the test case format in that way, that is the test case id, description, preconditions, test steps, expected result, actual result, and the test case is pass or fail, means it is the final conclusion. Okay, so let's see one by one. So test case id, so first test case ID is TC001WL. TC stands for test case, 001 stands for this is the first test case, and WL stands for the watch list. Okay, WL is a watch list, it is a short form. Okay, so description is add to the stock in the watch list. Firstly, the watch list are used in the stock market to add the share or to remove the share. So the user can easily add the share for analysis purpose, easily available in the home page. Okay, so precondition is user is login. Firstly, what need user has to be login for that purpose. Okay, so test tips are navigate to the watch list tab, click on add-on button, enter the stock name and symbol, and click on the add-on button. Okay, so what is this? So you have to add the some particular company name in the list. Suppose you have to add the Tata company name in the list. In that time, what can you do? You can search the Tata company name in the list, and you can add that name in your stock list or in your watch list. Okay, so these are the steps to be used to reach on that particular step. Okay, so expected result is stock is successfully add on the watch list. What we expected, that our motto is to add the share in the watch list, so that motto is successfully done. So actual result, the actual and expected is match, means stock is successfully add on the list. After doing that operations, you have getting the expected and actual match, means test case is pass. If the expected and actual result is not match, your test case get failed. Okay, so move on the next test case, that is the TC002WL. Remove the stock from the watch list. Suppose you have to add the 150 shares in the watch list, and after sometimes you feel that you have to remove that particular share and you have to add the new share in the watch list. So what you have to do? You have to remove the stock from the watch list. Okay, so precondition is user has a stock in the watch list, means whatever the share you have to remove from the watch list, that stock is already present or not in the watch list. That is the important thing, means if anything is present on the watch list, then you have to remove. Now if there is no stocks in the watch list, so how can you remove that? So need that stock is already present in the watch list. Then after that you have to remove. Suppose the X bank company share you have to remove from the watch list. So what need to be, that share, particular share, firstly present in the watch list, then after that you have to remove that. Okay, so user has stock in the watch list. Okay, so the test steps is same like first one, like navigate to the watch list tab, find the stock to be removed, means whatever the stock is to be removed that already present in the stock list or watch list, then click on the remove button and confirm remove, means that are the steps. Okay, so the expected result is stock is removed from the watch list. So that are the expectation of my. So the actual result is stock is successfully removed from the watch list, means what actual and expected is match, means our test case is pass. Okay, move on the next test case, that is the third test cases. Okay, view the stock details from the watch list, means after clicking on the particular stock, the detail of that stock, means what is the stock amount, what is the today's hike, today's down, so whatever the data about that stock which will be highlighted or not, or that will be show or not, that we have to check here. So what is the scenario here? We view the stock details from the watch list. Precondition is user has a stock in the watch list. I'm already told you guys particular shares which will be present in the watch list or not, that is important thing. So user has a stock in the watch list. Test steps are navigate to the watch list tab, click on the stock in the list and verify the stock detail display in the list. Means whatever the data I am already told you guys, means about the market, means what is the market price is going on, what is the current price, what is the 1 hours before price, what is the according to the time how the market get fluctuated. So whatever the data about that share which will be present showing or not, that we have to check here. Okay, so stock detail is displayed successfully, means whatever the according to the expectation all the stock detail will be displayed, but actually the stock detail is not displayed on the successfully, means I have expected that we have to show all the details, but that the condition which will be not successful or not fulfill here, means stock details not display successfully here, means our test case is fail, we can log that defect. Okay, so next move on the fourth test case, that is the sort the watch list stock. Means according to the our requirement or according to the criteria, you have to select the watch list. Means suppose you have to buy the ABC company share, XYZ company share, Tata share, so according to that you can sort it here in the list, but that will not be showing in the according to the sorting order, so that is the problem. Okay, so the fourth test case is sort the watch list stock. User has stocks in the watch list. Firstly, the precondition is user has a particular stock in the watch list. Navigate to the test steps are navigate to the watch list tab, click on sort drop down, select the sorting criteria and verify the sorting order. Means whatever according to the whatever the order you can follow, like every applications order in the alphabetical order, like A B C XYZ, means whatever the alphabetical order, so according to that the shares watch list order is showing or not, that we have to check here. Okay, so expected condition, watch list stock are sorted here as per the selection criteria. The watch list stock are sorted as per the selection criteria, means expected and actual match, means test case is pass. According to our requirement, we can create the test case template on the watch list module. So according to that, we have created the multiple modules of the investment banking application. We will cover all the modules in this channel. So for that purpose, just subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you guys. Have a good day.